Good morning, class. Now today I want us to look at food analysis and instrumentation. And now we have given the course description in our platform. And also we have given the course content of this unit, which I've given an outline. You can go through them. Now in our first topic, we have introduced densimetry, the first topic. And then the second topic is the rheology and rheology properties of the foods. Now in densimetry, just to have a brief overview, we're talking about the specific gravity of the food material. Now, food materials can be analyzed in terms of how heavy or light they are, and the main instrument used in measuring the gravity, the specific gravity of foods, we have the hydrometers which apply the Archimedes principle. That is, the weight of the object is determined by the amount of the liquid displaced. So we can use hydrometry or hydrometers to determine the specific gravity of the food. Now we have different types of hydrometers, and the most common one, which normally apply in the food industry, even at home, is the lactometers. Lactometers help us to determine the quality of the milk product. That is, whether it has been adulterated with water or not. For example, a good milk, when you measure using the lactometer, it should be able to give you the right reading. Otherwise, when water is added, when you measure using the lactometers, you will find that density of the water of the milk will be much lower. Now, lactometers are very important in analyzing the food property of the milk. We can also use pictometers. Now, pictometers apply the same principle as the hydrometer, and they are much precise compared to the hydrometers. Again, we have discussed the principle behind the use of pictometers in an analysis of the food product. You can go through them in our notes, and then we shall discuss in details in our next class. Now, I want just to mention briefly about the rheology, our next topic. Rheology determines the shape of the structure of the food or the flow of the food. Now, we can either analyze the food product in terms of rheology, that is based on the way the food is solid or liquid. And normally, induction of a force can change the shape of the food as well as the structure of the food. This may interfere with the quality of the food when force is exerted in the particular food. Now, we have two main ways we can be able to evaluate the rheology property of the solid foods. We have the fundamental test, and also we have the imitative test, which I'll discuss more in details in our next class. Otherwise, you can go through the note that I've uploaded in our platform, and then we shall have a class discussion, and we shall proceed from there in our next class. Thank you.